In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find Discord accounts of people in your contacts list. Finding Discord accounts of people in your contacts list can be beneficial for staying connected, especially if you frequently communicate with them through the platform. It ensures you can easily reach out to them, join mutual servers, or coordinate activities seamlessly. To do this, simply head into your Discord. On your profile page, tap on this settings icon. On the settings page, head into privacy and safety. You will then navigate onto the option of sync contacts. Make sure to enable this option on. Tap on Get Started. Discord will show you accounts in your contacts list. That's how easy it is to see Discord accounts of people in your contacts list. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.